Hello, good afternoon and welcome to Craft with Bella Jane. My name's Lynn and this afternoon we're going to be working on a tag book. This is the third week of Natalie's line dot arrow, and she's made us these beautiful letters and numbers and tags, and so we're going to make a tag book with them today. So yeah, so we'll start with that one and then that one, and then we've got another 4. We should have another 4. Oh, we only got 3. Oh, there it is. There's the other 4, the 4th one. There we are. That's it, that way. There we are. So very simple. We're just going to join these together using some paper and oops, done that before, and then decorate them. There we are. So I'll just use the very sticky Pritt stick for this. Okay, I decided to, oh, there goes the Pritt stick. Landed on my laptop. Oh, covered in dog hairs. Yeah, so I decided to double this because it wasn't very thick. So I'm just going to stick it down on there and then on there, and I'm not going to leave a massive gap. It's about 1/4 inch, that I think. Look there, it's not even, I think that's a centimetre, that one. I think these measure, yeah, I think these measure about a centimetre, so that's about 1/2 centimetre. Fasten that in half, and then just glue this onto here like that. And then that'd be like, and then we'll just make sure these are even. Well, just, yeah, there they are. And no, I've done this wrong now already. I've already done it wrong because this is the top for this. So we've already made our first mistake of the morning. That goes on there. Oh, dear me. Let's glue this one on before the glue dries. So this one goes here. So we'll just make sure they're lined up. And that gap is about 1/4 of an inch. That's that. That's all right. That's okay. Phew. Right, let's glue this down. And this is art glitter glue in this little bottle. Let's just get that even. You can always trim them at the end if you need to. Okay, so now that's the front one. Oops, I think I've got a bit more glue on there actually. Yeah, that's the front one, which I'm determined to wreck. Now, there is a very slight difference in the size of these, so I hope I've got the right ones. I have a feeling I might not have done, but yeah, I have a feeling I've got them wrong now. See, look, I have. So we'll just put it like that, because I think all the tops are the same. So I don't know why that one fitted on there when this one doesn't want to fit on here. And these are the same size. Oh no, they're not. There we are. That explains that, doesn't it? So, is that a small one? That's a small one. And that's a large one. There we are, that explains that. Right, now don't forget you've got to put these tags on next. So these little hinges. So fold that in half. And then, judging by the way that came undone, I'm going to use art glitter glue on them. So, oh dear, 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 dear. So that's going there, isn't it? I'm having a very good start to this project. There we are. Nothing's perfect. Line that up with that one. And then this piece is a bit small, so I'm just wondering if I could utilise this. I'll just get on with it, I think. It's just a bit smaller than the rest. Oh my word, this glue is very, very, very sticky. So now I'm very, very sticky. Again. Oh dear. Yeah, for some reason I've made this a bit smaller than the rest. I must have run out of paper, I suppose. It'll be alright. Right. Let's try and wipe this sticky off my hands. So, got dog hair everywhere. I don't know where that's come from. Okay. So, I think maybe, have I done the wrong thing again? Oh no, that one goes on there. There we are. Oh my word. So that goes on there. Somebody's lawnmowing now, so I hope you can't hear that. And then that goes on there. That's it. Fine. And then we're going to run out of glue, I think. It's amazing how this glue goes. I might get a bigger bottle actually. It goes so fast because I only filled it up the other day. But I suppose I'm a bit like Tina, I use loads of glue. I've noticed a lot of other people who hardly use any glue at all. They're a bit not perfectly aligned, I have to say. and they're not going to be easy to trim. This project has made me realise that I really do need one of those Cricut machines. Scan and cut. Oh my word, I don't know what that is. It sounds like the strimmer going next door now. We should come and strim my garden for me. There we are. That's that side. That side. Line them all up pretty much. So I'm not going to bend them as yet, but they're going to be zigzags. So that goes there and that one goes there. And then I suppose I could trim them with the knife, like that bit there and that bit there. But we'll wait till it dries. Yeah, so we're going to have to wait to fold it because I want to know which is the front. So say that's the front, A, that's the back. Oof. Okay, so A goes on the front, and B, and C, and D, and then E and F, and then we should be back to the front with A. It's A, B, C, D, E, F, and back to A. Yeah, that's good. So maybe I need to write a little bit on here. So we've got A, this will rub off anyway, B, C, D, E, and F. There we are. Right, so yeah, I'm going to have a try at trimming these and see what happens. So I've left some of the black lines, so they could do with a bit of a trim, couldn't they really? And that strimmer's so noisy. Goodness me. There we are, that looks better, doesn't it? Yeah. And then just go down there a little bit. And then sorry, I'm right up in the camera there, aren't I? So this cardstock is 200 gram, so it's thick enough, but it's not too thick, so that you can't cut it nicely. There we are. It's not bad. Now just that bit to trim with the knife and that bit to trim with the knife, and then make sure I don't cut straight through the blue with the knife. That's okay. Right, let's get the knife. Oh, this is the scary bit. This is the scary bit. No, I haven't even got it. There we are. And this one. Oh gosh. I'm a bit deadly with this knife actually. That's not great, is it? There. That's it. That's all the white edges off those. Just a bit here. Oh, I thought I could see a white edge. Yeah, I could. Yeah. Oh, look, I've got a white edge there now. Oh. Come across that. I could use the ruler. Oh yeah. That'll have to do because I just can't take any more off that. That one's a bit not very good either. There we are. I think it's all right. I think all we have to do now is just ink it a bit. The trouble with the white is it never really, you can never really get rid of it. So I've got to go mad with videos because I'm going on holiday at the end of the month. I'm going to be away for a week. So I'm going to have to store up some videos that I can schedule for that week. And hope that that works because I've never done that before. So we'll have to give it a try. There we are, I've done it. I think I've done it. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, back in a minute.